ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲಿಂದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್.
Hi. Hi. It'd be nice if you can drop you visiting.
Yeah, I have dropped. Yes, I did.
Few ladies, but I'm happy to say ladies here. Good evening. We are here. What a wonderful evening. It's not just an entertainment. Sure, we want to bring in quite an exciting product to India. Most of you know that most of people ask me, what role are you playing in FSA? Are you a full-time FSAI employee? I am presenting myself here. I am Dominic, the country head of Mircom India, and Mircom runs my kitchen. Though my 80% of my work goes on in FSA, that is Fire and Security Association, people also must know I work for Mircom. Here is the Mircom. Started in 2007 in a very humble way. I was the only employee. They tested the water, saying is there a market? Should we hire Dominic? I said, please hire me. I will change the business the fire industry do here. Took up the challenge in 2007, started working from home. And 2009, the Mircom management agreed that we have to rock in India. And they allowed me to start an office, which is located in Bannerghatta Road. So when I was starting the office, I was thinking, what should I do with this office? How do I differentiate ourselves from others? Now everybody sells fire detection system, fire protection system. There has to be difference. My experience goes almost 22 years. Sold many fire detection systems, installed many of the fire detection security system. I always felt that I have to do something different. So while negotiating with the landlord of the building, I said I need the full building. It's around 4th floor. He asked me how many employees. I'm the only one. It was a surprise. Of course, I had Ratish as the technical head. So what I thought is, let me build a simulation lab. Get all the product what we manufacture back in Canada, put up everything, and also set up a training center, minimum 25-seater. With that I felt, anybody buying a Mircom product must know how to install, how to test, how to commission, and maintain. So I don't want to sell like just the boxes. What I told my friends, here's a Mircom, please undergo this training, get a certification, then start quoting for the projects. So many people came forward. We had good installation base. Today we have probably over 650 installation base across India. Later I found a lot of consultants who are specialized in electrical, plumbing. They're also doing the fire protection. I also thought I must share the knowledge on designing the fire detection system. So we decided to invite many of the engineers, the design engineers to Mircom office, started talking about fundamentals on fire detection system, how to design, what kind of detector must go on a ceiling, and different type of application. So we started doing that. Then lately, we introduced the end user training program. There's no point just selling a fire detection system to any complex. They must know how to maintain, how to use the system. The people, I'm sure, for a addressable fire detection system for a pretty good size, the value will not be less than 50 lakh. So we decided training the end user also, whether it is any of our competitor product, no problem. We said, please come over here, sir. This is how the fire detection works. Please open the fire detector, the smoke detector, see the chamber, touch and feel the MCP, touch and feel the touch and feel the control panels. That brought a lot of change among the users. So today, the Mircom believes that not only train the integrator, also train the end user. End user, how to maintain, how to react when there is an alarm. Today, Mircom does 3 training in every quarter for the architect consultant, the contractors, and the end user. That is the difference I started making in the market. Not just selling. I'm sure any of my friends who are in this business, where competitors also offer the same thing, but I have to offer something else. Respond to their trouble when in the field, if there's an issue. We created a simulation lab. The simulation lab is completed with complete life safety product there. We have voice evacuation system, we have aspiration system, we have beam detector, we have FM200, everything. Somebody walks into office, he can see how the life safety system works. So, ladies and gentlemen, the Mircom is different. We do not want to sell the product. We do not just want to increase our market size, but I want everybody who uses the product must know how to react when there is an alarm. Not only how to react to the fire alarm, but how do you get out of the building? Just having an alarm is not enough. But you should also know the notification. How to get out of the building. So we have a wonderful product called Exit Sounder. Directional, some people call it a directional sounder, which exactly tells you which is the nearest the staircase. And if there is a fire near the staircase, those sounder will not go on. It will direct to somewhere else. It's a patented sound. It's a wonderful evacuation sounder. It will direct the people how to get out. Now, with added to that, the new product launch we are going to launch, it will be the ultimate. Here in Mircom India, we have 3 regional managers and we have 4 technical engineers, supports in different cities. They are not located in Bangalore. Every sales manager in each region, they'll have a technical support engineer. Along with them, we have a simulation lab. We have 2 engineers dedicated in the integration room. They support the the end user, and also the contractor who has trouble in commissioning the system. I would like to introduce my boss, Mr. Shaul Hamid. Is the VP Strategic for Middle East, Africa, and India. Shaul here. Shaul. Yeah, most of you, if you are in industry more than 15 years, must know Shaul Hamid. He's the man who introduced the Morley in India. I remember when I was working for System Sensor, so when he took up the challenge, we from Morley will sell 40,000 detectors this year. We sitting at System Sensor were laughing at him. 40,000 detector, unbelievable. But my dear friends, he went on proving that year he joined, he sold over 50,000 detector. That's how he started his career in the detection system in India. With that, he has a tremendous of experience in handling major projects. He was the general manager of BMTS or BMTC, who executed the landmark buildings in Dubai, whether it is Atlantis, whether Dubai Metro, whether it is Burj Khalifa. In every landmark, he has his footstep there. Wonderful experience. He's going to talk more about it. And I would like to invite our VP Engineering, Mr. Jason Falbo. So Jason is hiding. He doesn't want to face the people here. Jason, yeah. Can you guess his age?